My grandfather started and my dad ran it. I went to Texas A&M. I'd call my dad all the time during the summer and say, thank you for sending me to college. So I'm not, because it's hot out in the shop in the summer and cold in the winter. And I would call him and thank you for sending me to college, Dad, I love you. So I really never thought I was gonna do this. We're a bandsaw steel company, cut metal, steel for mainly oil and gas, but multiple different industries. We've got about 20 saws, been servicing the industry for we've been open for 42 years. Started by my grandfather, Gran Armstrong, back in 1977.
I remember Rich Armstrong, the current owner, when he was about 12 years old. So over the years, we formed a pretty good relationship with the folks over at Houston Metal Cutting. We test out a lot of new products at Houston Metal Cutting. It is a very harsh environment. It's a very demanding environment. And the joke around here, and I can say this on camera because we're friends, if you can make it at Houston Metal Cutting, you have a winner.
Chris is actually sold blades to my grandfather, my dad, and me. We have guys come in here all the time trying to give us free blades. Here, try ours, try ours. We'll take them. I mean, it's a free blade. I'll take it. But they don't compare. I'm very happy with the blades we get from them. We get long life, accurate cutting. Our biggest expense, right, is payroll and blades. So if I can get an extra 7 or 8 cuts with this blade over this blade, that's all profit, right? I mean, that's all money. We go out of our way to make the customer happy. If we have a bunch of stuff in a day, then we'll work 24 hours. That's part of building a relationship and a trust factor. And I think it comes back to you, especially if the customer has a hot one and they don't normally request it, then we'll work through the night, we'll work 2 days. I mean, it doesn't matter, we're gonna get you done. And that's not hokey, it's not just what we're saying, it's kind of how we do it because, again, we're a service company that we want to make you happy and we want all your business.
In my biased opinion, they're the finest metal cutting processing center in the United States, by far. You put stuff in there, they get it out on time, you never have to worry about your material. They take responsibility for what they do, and they don't make a lot of mistakes because of the employee base.
I'm proud of where we are in the market. I don't think anybody has anything bad to say about us, right? I mean, whether used or not, I think we're honest, I think we're fair, and I think we're good business people. And I'm proud that through 40 years, we can still say that.